Welcome back. We have finally started to clear out. This is the first time we have had clear to mostly clear skies since that storm that came through on Tuesday. Other than that, we have stayed pretty cool. It's still breezy to windy across the region. High temperature of 28 today, and we're down to 23. Wind still west-northwest around 15, so the winds are starting to die down. Could be a little breezy at times tomorrow, but it looks like the really windy conditions are gone. Here's a look at the temperatures around the region at 24 right now at Ogallala and Imperial, 26 at Lexington. That's the warm spot. Near 20 Broken Bow Thedford, but 18 at Hyannis and at Valentine. There's your winds, still around 15 to 25 miles per hour from a northwesterly direction. And as for the strongest wind gust, we are still, if you make your way basically outside of North Platte, as you make your way up to the north, we do have wind gusts 35 to 40 miles per hour, 30 to 35 out toward Ogallala and Imperial. As for the blowing snow, could still be a little reduced visibility, but it's mainly confined to the Valentine area where they got all the snow. Everybody else is looking pretty good in terms of visibility. As for that wind chill, we still have wind chill values north of I-80 between 0 and 5 degrees along I-80. Wind chill values around 10 degrees, so it does feel pretty cool out there. So the good news is that every blizzard warning has expired at the top of the last hour, and we still have winter weather advisories as you make your way from Hyannis to Mullen up toward Valentine. Now they go until 7 a.m. Central Time. Everything south of Arthur has expired. So hopefully these advisories that were from that system on Tuesday can finally start to expire as we go through the day on Saturday. Here's a look at the Doppler radar with mostly clear to partly cloudy skies, maybe a few snow showers between Stapleton and Valentine, but any of that activity has dissipated, moved off to the east. As for the surface map, this low pressure system continues to make its way off to the east. Still some snow showers on the backside into the Dakotas, Minnesota. This is the last of it. The system has been around for about 3 or 4 days. High pressure system is working its way in. These highs are missing us off to the south, and we're getting that strong northwesterly wind, but that trend will end. We're back to a little more of a southerly flow with those highs near 30, maybe some mid-30s as we go through the weekend with more sunshine. So we're going to continue to clear out as we go through the rest of the evening. Temperatures staying near 20, and then a few clouds during the overnight, lows in the low to mid-teens. For the day tomorrow, mostly sunny skies, high temperatures into the low to mid-30s across the region. And then for your overnight, Saturday into Sunday, cooler air works its way in as temperatures will fall back into the single digits. And then for the day on Sunday, we're right back up there into the low to mid-30s with mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies across the region. As you make your way up toward Valentine, it's going to be a lot cooler with all that snow. So some teens to lower 20s as we make our way through the weekend. Maybe a few more clouds up in that direction too. High pressure system is going to crest just south of us, giving us slightly warmer air with those low to mid-30s over the weekend. But another shot of cool air will work its way in as we go through the day on Monday, along with more clouds. Let's take a look at that extended forecast. 34 your high in North Platte, mostly sunny through the weekend, partly cloudy. Highs only near 18 Monday and Tuesday, near 20 on Wednesday with a slight chance of some snow showers, a little breezy too. A very cold air mass here on Thursday, a high of only 9 degrees, but then right back up to near 20 on Friday with partly cloudy skies. Kent?
And hard to think to say, enjoy the 30s, because it's going to be a lot colder after that.
You know, the 30s with sunshine is going to feel good after we've been pretty cold.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, thanks so much, Justin. Federal judge has temporarily blocked President Biden from ending the Trump-era Remain in Mexico policy. The policy requires certain migrants to await their asylum hearings in Mexico. President Biden moved to end the policy, under which more than 70,000 asylum seekers were sent to Mexico from the United States. A U.S. district